So wipe that off a little. There we go. Day 4 on our way to the ferry out to Belize City for an inland adventure. Made it on to the first boat out of the morning. I see. Okay. Florida.
We're going to explain why we do that here. So, this side has never shown or given any evidence in tail iguana.
Yeah.
Some of them call it gray iguana, some call it a black iguana, only because they adapt the pigmentation of their skin, their scale, to match the surrounding area that they're in.
Yeah, it's popped off.
They're not like the charmeleons. Charmeleons is the lizard that...
Alton ha.
Boy, those strings at the bottom.
Don't touch him. I'm not gonna touch him. Mom, you see him?
It's cute.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kind of had that coming.
At that point, higher than that, don't climb on the walls. We drop, then we just leave you there for the gods.
The first sacrifice, Jen.
You're kidding.
Jen.
Paparazzi's on you, huh?
Jen, that's you.
Super cool. Yep. Oh. Epic. Top of Alton Ha, Mayan City.
I gave you one reason to why we say that this city is one of the richest, right? You see that altar there?
Mm-hmm.
That comes out from in the middle of the step. In there, they found. Look at that. In there, they found a burial. In there. Different theories of that. Right?
We did it in 29 minutes.
What?
Yeah, it's supposed to take you like an hour or two, but we just.
Were you running it?
A little bit.
A little bit. It's very competitive. They said it what the best time was, and so.
That's good enough. But you're dying after that.
Oh, I got video footage of that.
That was fun.
Oh, you should have so good.
Yeah. There we go. Just ridiculous.
He is no bigger than your average house cat, or a little bit bigger. Look up. Come over this side.
Oh, I see him. He's cute too. He's so cute. Hey, look at the little guy.
Yeah.
He's up there and keep him.
This is the ocelot, one of the smallest spotted cats in the world. Those are full-grown adults right there. They won't get any bigger than that.
No? I can do that.
What's that?
I was meowing at him.
Basically, they're like, how is this?
Oh, we sniffing the snackies. There's some snackies here somewhere. We got the snackies or not?
Hi, baby.
You have to finish the kiss now.
Come here, baby. I don't have the food. I would kiss the little guy.
You would.
I know.
Uh-huh.
Oh, just wanted the snacks.
Sorry.
All
Yeah,
right.
so they're
Thanks.
herbivores, so
Oh,
they eat only
there you go.
leaves,
Oh,
fruits, vegetables.
sweetheart.
His name is Fuego, and he was rescued from a forest fire. And Fuego is already 13 years old.
Oh,
In captivity,
Oh, you
they
want
can live
some
anywhere
more.
between 30 to 35 years.
yeah, them big chunks.
They're the national
Yeah,
animal of Belize.
sweetheart.
We locally call them
Yeah.
mountain cows, but they're not related to cows. So they're closely related to horses and rhinos.
Yeah, was that a crunchy one? Yeah. More,
Over on that
please.
side, you can reach him and you can give him a
Oh, hey,
Top of
bud.
his head.
Look at the
head
little
right here.
scritch.
Hey,
Yeah,
baby.
Hey, bud. You're so sweet.
He's waiting for more now.
Nope, I need more. Hook it up.
Watch out, honey.
Where them snacks? Where them snacks at?
Oh, the dirty snackies.
Yeah. Oh, good boy.
Here, smile. You crazy, huh? You are causing accidents.
Hmm.
But he also can't drive.
Hi there.
Not that because I saw you overtake her. Just because you could catch up after this.
No, I never even rush. Not even my vehicle. I don't know.
is that good?
I don't know how other
Is that
people
good?
thing work.
Yeah,
Hey, baby.
sweetheart. Okay. Yeah, big crunches.
Oh, wait, wait, there.
You want to give him another one, kid?
Yeah, that's
No,
right
but
now.
June.
Well, I keep it away.
Go for it.
Okay, here you go. You're just like a big guinea pig. Yeah.
Behind the ears or massaging?
There's no more for you. Don't get all that ass parts there. There you go.
You really cute little nose. Oh, you want to say?
Oh. That's all we got. We're fresh out.
Once more. So they eat a lot. They would
Yeah.
consume about 60 pounds of food a day.
Wow.
They're,
I don't got
they like eat throughout the day.
He's like, just like horses.
It's like.
Hey.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
You're so cool, Fuego.
Like, what's his favorite vegetable?
Yeah.
So his one is sweet potatoes and celery. Yeah.
That's
He
really
doesn't
cool.
like cucumbers at all. Like we have, each one of them have their own specific buckets that they get, but Fuego doesn't.
Oh, wow. Get your own special salad.
Yeah, so you have to know like the individuals when you work with them. 'Cause some of them might be
You're
very
so
picky
cool.
eaters.
I was like, peace, I'm out.
Yeah, June got the snacks.
Your celery ran out, and so did my attention.
You going by Sylvia?
Yeah, drop out the soup and then get back. Tomorrow in the backyard.
The zoo?
Do you work tomorrow too, no?
Hi. Hi there.
Hi.
Hello.
So that's Pomona over there, and then the other one that went there, that's Kiki.
Oh, wow.
Because like, this
different.
Hey.
One called Pomona Dark and CC Light.
Male, female?
Both female.
Oh, kitty fight. Cat fight.
Just like my
They're
Are these kids?
so they won't get any bigger. They're like, we have one over there.
8 growls.
These here are females and they're awesome. They don't
Yeah.
get any bigger now.
Tell me all about it.
Yeah, it has electric wires. Yeah.
A lot of noise.
Yeah, we know Grumble growls. We got someone just like you at home that grumbles all the time too.
murder mittens. Is that what we're calling them?
Yeah.
Murder mittens.
It's just like a phone.
Alright, guys.
All right,
I
moving
can
on.
barely see her. Hey, Sylvia.
Oh, you're sneaking up, stealth mode.
Hi, Sylvia. Hello. Yes, I do have chickens, Sylvia.
Chicken, please.
Yeah. We wore like 10 years. But she's like the runt from her.
She's so cute.
Yeah, she's like the runt from her litter.
You
So
got
that's
them
why she didn't
sharp
grow
murder
that big.
mittens.
Since she still have her canines.
Oh
Can we roll
wow.
over, Sylvia? Can we roll over? Roll over,
I'm gonna
Sylvia.
look for the food.
Roll over.
Okay.
Roll over. Good girl.
Oh wow.
Good girl.
Good girl. All right, give me the chicken now.
It's just like, here we go, Sylvia. No climbing. No climbing. Look at those claws.
Wow. Wow. So intense.
Yeah, more or less she's around 10 years.
Huh.
And she's been at the zoo for 4 years. And she came because she was hunting dogs,
Oh no.
getting really close to the villagers. They got concerned and they called the zoo, and that's how we got her. And we thought she was younger, but after looking at her and checking her teeth,
Mhm.
yeah. And the reason why she was hunting dogs is because
Can we feed him?
she had really bad teeth, bad gums.
Mhm.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll show you how. Well, through the small mesh here,
Okay.
you're gonna give her this piece of chicken. But let's have roll over first.
Okay. Yeah.
Can we roll over,
No such
Sylvia?
thing as a free lunch, Jen. You gotta earn it.
Roll over. Roll over, Sylvia. Roll over, Sylvia. Roll over. She's like, do I really have to do this?
So
Good
embarrassing.
girl.
Good job.
Just push it right down here. No climbing, Sylvia. No climbing.
Wow.
Fingers out.
She was so.
Your fingers now taste like the chicken.
Yeah.
All right. Totally down for this. Yeah.
So just
you.
push the meat through
Okay.
right down here.
Here we go. There's the meats for you.
Ian feeding Sophia.
There we
There
go.
you go. Nice.
How was
Wow. That was intense. Cool. Very cool.
Yeah, really intense.
Wow.
Your turn.
Okay, my
Good luck.
good luck.
Right, right here, right here. Down, down.
Down low, down low.
Right
No
there.
Try
clammies.
not to have her flying.
No clammies.
Yeah, otherwise she
Good
wants it.
girl. Wow.
What are you feeding them? Just chicken.
Chicken.
Pollito.
He gave it.
That's good.
You guys are gonna have to wash your hands. And
Oh yeah.
We're not
Yeah.
gonna touch anything.
Nope.
before that.
Yeah.
Mom.
Yeah. Give it a try. Oh, I just want my snacks.
We had to remove several of her teeth because they were really bad, like infected,
Oh.
and that's the reason why she made it hunt dogs easy food. Here we go, right here.
Sylvia.
Is that a baby? No, she's 10 already.
Is that good?
How she looks at you.
All right, I guess that's enough.
Nice.
Thank you, Sylvia.
Yeah. Thanks, Sylvia.
Thank you.
You're the best.
She got embarrassed and she left.
Oh.
Thank you,
That's
guys.
so cool. Yeah. Thank you.
Yes, yes, I, Carlos.